How to earn money on USA. 1. Participate in market research. Online surveys won't net you a hefty income, but you can earn a few dollars here and there. Many survey sites pay in gift cards, but some, like branded surveys, allow you to cash out your earnings via PayPal or direct deposit. By consistently taking surveys and earning points, you'll become a branded elite member and qualify for additional bonus points and rewards. We've audited dozens of paid survey sites, many of which are scams purporting to represent legitimate entities, so be careful when handing out personal information to a brand you haven't heard much about. Other top-rated survey sites. 2. Get cashback and rewards when you shop. Cashback apps and browser extensions help you save money on everything from groceries to books. Again, you won't earn a fortune, but you will save money on things you already buy. My personal favorite is Capital One Shopping because it works with my favorite stores like Overstock, Vitacost, and eBay. If you already use Capital One, you can create a Capital One shopping account using your regular banking login. If you don't use Capital One, signing up is still a quick process. Once you create an account and get the browser extension, Capital One will let you know while you're shopping if there's a deal available for that retailer. You can cash in your rewards for gift cards to Walmart, Redbox, Sephora, and other retailers. Note, Capital One Shopping compensates us when you get the Capital One Shopping extension using the links provided. Related, 16 Best Cashback Apps to Earn Max Rewards. 3. Start a blog of your own. Examples of how much bloggers make. Making money by starting a blog is more realistic than you may think. Bloggers make money by advertising for companies they're affiliated with. When users click an affiliate link and make a purchase, the website owner earns a commission. There are other ways to make money blogging, such as by displaying advertising, selling your own products, or writing sponsored content. Blogging platforms such as HostGator provide a simple, affordable way to start your own digital business from home for less than the cost of a cup of coffee each month. It's the same way we built Sprout into a 7-figure brand. 4. Complete micro tasks. Micro tasks are one of the easiest ways to make money online. But micro jobs come with micro pay. You can earn a few dollars a month with Swagbucks by watching videos, playing games, and using the Swagbucks search engine. Other micro job sites pay users for reviewing content, verifying data, or testing apps and websites. 5. Become a proofreader. Proofreaders help authors, bloggers, and even court reporters ensure that their content is grammatically correct and error-free. A proofreader's role is to be an extra set of eyes after the author and editor have finished their job. They scour content for any errors that may have previously been missed. Learn how to make money as a proofreader. 6. Work as a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is an all-encompassing title for someone who offers online services for companies and small businesses. Services can range from graphic design, to blog management, to email marketing. A good friend of mine started working as a virtual assistant once she had her first child. She makes $35 an hour offering copywriting and email management to local companies. Working as a freelancer will increase your hourly rate but comes with the downside of having to find your own work. Another option is to work with well-known virtual assistant companies that have a steady stream of clients, but at a lower hourly rate. 7. Manage Facebook ads for businesses. One of the ways Facebook makes money is by allowing companies to advertise its products and services in users' news feeds. Most small business owners don't realize the value of running Facebook ads for their business. By learning to communicate the value of ads in reaching new clientele and building brand awareness, you can earn $1,000 to $2,000 per month for each client you book. Start by reaching out to small business owners in your area or by taking an online course that teaches you how to manage ads on Facebook and start booking clients. 8. Host a digital course. Digital courses are one of the top ways to make money online today. OutSchool is a teacher recruiting platform specifically designed to help online course creators monetize their knowledge. Its classes range from architecture to yoga to learning about Pokemon characters. According to the site, the average teacher earns $40 per hour, and you don't need experience teaching to use OutSchool.